Hi, my name is Matt from HWM Media, and if you own your own cleaning business, I've just got a short 10-minute presentation for you just to demonstrate how we can help grow your business. So when people know your business exists, they're much more likely to become customers. So a lot of businesses make the assumption that if you're going to create a marketing plan, you need to go all out, spend a small fortune, but that doesn't have to be the case in all. In fact, there are plenty of ways that you can market your business online that are extremely cost effective. Not only that, but online efforts make it possible to target a specific audience. So when we advertise, we want to be in front of the right people. So currently, I'm guessing you may have a website. You're probably listed in all the online directories, maybe the Yellow Pages and a few True Locals, that sort of things. And you've probably got a Facebook page where you're posting every now and then, and you may have dabbled in Facebook ads in the past. So what I want to show you here on the right-hand side, this little bit of pie, we're going to call it, is where your sort of customers are potentially at in the journey. So as you can see, this small slither here of the pie, this is the people who are actively searching and looking and ready to book a cleaner. Now, as you can see, it's a tiny segment of that list. And if you're only doing website, if you only have your website and you're searching in Google or on your online directories, you're really only playing your marketing in this tiny piece of the pie. Now, the problem with this is you're fighting with every other cleaning business in that area to generate that lead who is actively searching. So what we do, we specialize in Facebook ads. So with Facebook ads, we can put your message in front of the rest of this audience. We can put it in front of the whole audience, actually, because there are a lot of people here. They want your services, but they're yet to inquire, or they don't know where to start looking. Or they may have thought about your services, but they're not actively searching. So there's a huge portion of this audience that is untapped, and there's no competition whatsoever in this audience. So if you're looking to grow your business, we can't keep scrapping over these little slither of leads in here. We want to get out here and put our name out there and try and get leads without the competition through Facebook and getting in front of them and building a relationship on Facebook and get them to take that, give them the opportunity to take action there, then and there, when they're ready, put it in front of them at a convenient time and get them to learn a bit more about your business. Now I'm going to get straight up front to the investment. What's this going to cost? Because I know you're probably thinking it's going to cost me thousands of dollars, but it is quite cost effective. And with Facebook, you only have to spend $5 to $10 a day or $150 to $300 a month. And our management fee is $330 per month, including GST. So the maximum you're going to spend is about $630 a month. And I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, that's so much money. But when you actually have a look at it and look at the long-term investment, we have to play the long game here. So if we were to spend $300, say, on ads, and the management fee is $300 plus that GST, so you're going to be spending around the $600 a month mark. Now, if we were to bring one new client on, say we start the ads in January, we're going to bring one new client on in January, and we spent that $600, and we've got that one client who's going to last 12 months as a client, gets a clean every 3 weeks, it's a $100 job. So over the course of the year, that's 17 cleans, $1,700 return. And when we look at our investment at the start of the year, we've invested $600, and at the end of the year, we've generated $1,700 from this client. So we've made a profit of $1,100. So in that case scenario, that is completely worst possible case that you would get one client that would last 12 months getting a 3 weekly clean. Now, more realistically, we're going to get to these 3 to 5 to 10 mark. And as you can see, we're still spending the same amount of money. That's $600. But as you can see, maybe if we go down to 5 cleans, after 12 months, if we can get those 5 customers to hang on there for a year, getting a 3 weekly clean at $100 a clean, we're going to generate $8,500 worth of revenue from that customer for our initial $600 spend and investment. So when you look at it that way, and that's only running it for 1 month of the year. So say you were just running it for January, and then at the end of the year, we have a look at that investment and we go, okay, we spent $600 on marketing this year, and we've generated $8,500 in return for that. And I don't know an investment that you could possibly get that sort of return on, unless you are going to the races and you back a 20 to 1 winner. That's the only way, and that is a huge risk. So, I mean, if you were to put $600 in the bank, you'd probably end up with $615 at the end of the year. You'd make a $15 profit. Even shares, maybe $30 profit. But to have a profit there, which is controllable for you, of $7,900, that is something that is a huge investment, and it can grow your business so quickly and give you the life that you really want, and allow your business to bring on staff, and you can take a step back off the tools as such. Just do the quoting, get into that business, help it grow, and create the life of your dreams for yourself. So, I mean, when we're looking at this is running the ads for 1 month. Say we were to run these ads for 3 to 6 months to a year. You can just times that number by that figure, and you'll see how much you can grow. Now, this is the results we've got for a client in the past. So we ran this this ad for a client. This is the first 10 days that they were with us, and they generated 37 leads, which was a Facebook Messenger ad. All we spent is $97.80. So as you can see, the results there are phenomenal. It even shocked me how many leads they generated. So this is a place to shine cleaning services in Maitland. So this was a testimonial. I engaged Matthew a couple of months ago to run some Facebook ads to promote a place to shine cleaning services. Although skeptical at first, I was amazed at the massive results and actually had to stop the ads early as we were inundated with new clientele and quickly became fully booked out. Matthew was a pleasure to deal with and very professional. Nothing was ever too much and always responded quickly to questions. Cannot recommend highly enough. And that was from Tanya, who owns a place to shine cleaning services in Maitland. Now, if you're interested, how do I get started? So this is the thing. You don't need a website. You don't have to post every day to your social media to get results. We manage the whole ad account for you. So all you're going to need is a Facebook page set up. It doesn't have to have, it could have 3 posts on it in their entire page. It could have 1 post. It doesn't matter. But all we need is a Facebook page and a Facebook ad account. And I know you've probably thought, I've tried Facebook ads before and it hasn't worked for me. And I can guarantee you haven't done it the correct way. Because the way we do it, we use the Facebook algorithm. And if you have a website, we can use the pixel as well. And we can really get deep in our targeting and getting our message across to the right people. So 99% of the people I take over their accounts have tried Facebook ads in the past and it hasn't worked for them because they haven't been doing it the right way. They haven't learned the right way. And that's usually from boosting a post in the newsfeed. Because Facebook will select a different objective to what you're looking for. So this is the key, is make sure you do it correctly. And we have the strategies and we know how to work this algorithm to get the best possible results for your business. Now, if you're interested in taking the next step, there'll be a form below and fill it out and we'll be in contact and we'll book in a time to discuss more about your business to see if it can work for your business and the steps you need to fill in, if any, that we can definitely help you. So please, I'd love to hear from you. We've got great results from cleaning businesses already this year, and most of the ones we've had to stop because they've actually got too busy. So that's a great indication that this stuff really works. So make sure you do yourself a favor if you want to grow your business and create the business of your dreams and the life that you deserved when you first started the business. Make sure you fill in that contact form below, and I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Thank you for listening.